Everett said people died over here. Dangerous waters.
This is huge.
I don't know, guys. This seems kind of sketchy.
Okay, so basically I'm out here in beautiful British Columbia visiting with my cousins. And while I was here, one of my cousins showed me this video of him jumping off this cliff. And as soon as I saw it, I knew I had to go there.
We're going to Medicine Bowl. Yeah. I'm filming right now. Doing a travel montage. And my shorts smell weird. Stop embarrassing me on camera. I don't like it. We're here.
Now a 10-minute walk.
What? Take a backpack? I have to carry it? I have to carry the backpack. This is a forest. Oh, this actually looks cool. What's it called again? We're on our way to Medicine Bowls. I don't know how to talk to a camera.
Whoa!
Is this it?
Whoa!
Whoa! I'm gonna backflip off that log. We are going to the log. Whoa, this looks way higher from up here. Kind of scared. Backflip. Whoa, selfie time. Why do you have to keep flexing on me? Okay, it's time to do a backflip.
Okay, let's see it.
I don't think I can do this. Here, I gotta go over there. No, that's worse.
The log.
I'm not doing it off the log.
The log is the most safe. Yeah, because you can't hit your head. Nothing to hit your head on.
Okay, fine.
Jump out! Want me to come up there? No, I'll just stay here. You're learning a backflip on flat ground later today, so it's fine. Jump out. Don't stand there. Yeah! Easy.
So even though I can now do a backflip off the log, it would actually end up being just one of the two things that would push me out of my comfort zone.
Wait, are we going over there? Everett said people died over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, when it's high.
Further down.
Wait, but what's even down here? Can we jump into it?
That's where people died, but we're thinking it might be okay.
So we're gonna jump into a giant hole where people die. That's disgusting. That's also disgusting. We have to go in the water? Oh, it's so deep, bro. It's so cool. Oh my God. All in the ground. Yo, this is huge. What? Dangerous waters. I don't know, guys. This seems kind of sketchy. I'm kind of scared. What do I say?
We're scouting out. We're going under this. We're gonna see how deep it is.
We're going under there. Scout out the big jump spot.
Jump in.
I don't want to jump. I'm going under. Guys, check how deep it is.
Okay, so now it was time to literally jump out of my comfort zone again and fall 40 feet into the water below. And after 5 whole minutes of standing on the edge, this happened.
You didn't really warn me that you're jumping off.
What? You didn't get it?